Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Director General of Police ka Jilla Dr. L.R. Bishnoi hagas nitho ding ka shipautere gubnai jilleo arajar arpuar uleyatho bagajing Tohkit balakhle do Superintendent of Police City ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek's aim persha ya ukpa ubalad khat jobor ya ka jingem jongki Arngut ki Khun ki badangrit kabala jia hakasnong nongra shilong hakamid jongka lai pautere ubnai jemang arajar arpuar kadang ya shakman Hagajingnya keren berkilat patai kubor, Dr. Bishnoi uleyatho, bayamenta umpat la ban kento halor kani kajingjia. Namar bagajing Tohkit kadang ya syakman, bat ongru anda kipulit kila pendep ya kajing Tohkit unsala ban keren halor kani kajingjia.
So the case is registered and under investigation now, and it is monitored by the district SP at the highest level, and as and when some progress will be there, I will let you know. See, some kinds of crimes are common everywhere, like the POXO Act cases, the crime against women and children, and the drug abuse, and the accident cases, and some unfortunate the filicide killings, etc. These are there in almost all the districts. So our focus will be on the crime prevention strategy and to involve all the stakeholders, including the public. Crime against women and children is the cause of concern for all of us. And some crimes, unfortunately, are committed by the non-familiars who are familiar with the victims, and some are even committed by the family members and relatives. So for that also, we are in the process of finalizing our awareness strategy.